English lesson, 3rd grade, school Dikshan Shubayev, teacher Januzakova Gulmira. Good afternoon, my dear pupils. I'm nice to meet you. How are you? Theme of the lesson, sounds. We are talking about the phonetics reading. The aims of the lesson, we are talking about reading with phonics. We can read words by saying the sounds that letters make. How to use the dictionary to find the pronunciation of words.
Hello and welcome to Little Learners. In today's video we are going to be looking at the digraph A, using A and I, A and I to make the sound A. Let's look at some words. A, pain. Shall we try that again? A, pain. Good job. Let's try another word. A, rain. Let's sound it out again. A, rain. I don't like getting caught in the rain. Let's try another word. Sail. Let's sound that out one more time. Sail. You sail on a boat. Let's look at the next word. Chain. Let's try that again. Chain. This word has two digraphs in it. Snail. Let's sound it out again. Snail. Paint. Let's try that again. Paint. Good job. What about this word? Brain. Let's try that again. Brain. You're using your brain to read these words. Train. Shall we try that again? Train. Well done, everyone. So, those were some A words. Can you think of any others? Don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you can see all of the phonics videos and more. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.
Okay, my dear, have you understood? Good. Your homework, learn by heart the new words. The lesson is over. Goodbye.